Hello, teacher. My name is Piquita Puchiriapa. Today I'm going to tell you about uh, climate change and global warming. Okay, climate change is a big problem. It's affect the world war, but what causes it? When can we about it? Okay, this paragraph explains that climate change is a big problem that affect the world war. There are many causes of climate change. One of the main causes is carbon dioxide in the air. We use a lot of energy in the home. This energy comes from oil and gas. We use this energy. We make carbon dioxide cars and planes. Also make carbon dioxide. There are more cars and planes now than ever before. This is because more people have money to buy them. Okay, this paragraph talk about the cause of climate change, especially carbon dioxide from homes, cars, and planes. There are many consequences of climate change. One of the main consequences is extreme weather. In some places, there are big floods. In other places, there are long periods without rain. The weather is also getting hotter. It means that the ice of the North and South Poles in Maryland, if all the ice melt, the sea will rise by 70 meters. This will be very bad for people who live near the coast. Okay, this paragraph explains the consequences of climate change, such as floods, droughts, marine ice, and rising sea levels. What can we do about climate change? Governments need to make big changes. They need to use more renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy from the sun, wind, or water. People can also help. For example, they can walk or cycle the work instead of using a car. Incorporating EFL teaching and education strategies can also help raise awareness and promote sustainable practice to address the issue of climate change. Okay, this paragraph explain that governments and people can help by using renewable energy and changing daily routine. Comprehension question. Okay. Read the text and answer the question. Upload this word onto Google Classroom. Number one, what is on the main cause of climate change mentioned in the text? Okay. One of the main cause of climate change is carbon dioxide. Number two, how do you make carbon dioxide we using energy at home? Okay, we make carbon dioxide when we use energy from oil and gas at home. Number three, why are we there more cars and planes now than ever before? Okay, there are more cars and planes now because more people have money to buy them. Number four, what's happening in all the ice at the North and South Poles melt? Okay, if all the ice melt, the sea levels will rise by 70 meters, and it will be very bad for people near the coast. Video and vocabulary. Okay, my video is
Al clima,
the change to end.
invirtiendo nuestro mundo.
Our planet we had ice ages, and in particular,
Greenhouse gases,
during climate to the planet during this
carbon dioxide,
of years.
global warming,
That's what we call man-made climate change. On enriching
marine ice.
the atmosphere with
Number three, phobias, nor page 107, read each phobia, nightclub, dentist, etc. Okay, this is express opinion. Aaron is one king of phobia. Some people are afraid of other things. Look at the list below. Snake, long, going to the dentist, small pets, we were replaced, or other animals. For which partner for each item in the list, discuss your opinion about phobias completing on of the sentence. People may be afraid. Okay. My sentence is people may be afraid of a snake because they think they are dangerous. Okay. Other phobias. Look at the word and phrase in the reading of page 108 and think about the question. Okay. Other phobias. And it is my sentence. People which have fear of snake avoid parts and places where snake live. This is true. People with acrophobia feel comfortable in tall building. Fails. The fear of needle, usually starting childhood, is true. People with glossophobia panic with many people are reaching them. This is true. The correct sentence will be is people with acrophobia panic they're wearing or on high bridges. Okay, teacher, this is my work. Thank you.